have Senate Bill 1687, which is a data collection bill that would require the Department of Criminal Justice Services to collect certain data relating to bail determinants for any person held in custody pending trial, pre-trial.
All right, we've got a substitute.
Yes.
It appears. Senator Howell moves. Senator Stewart seconds the adoption of substitute. All in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. All opposed. Substitute's before us. Tell us what your substitute does.
The substitute, the main differences between the substitute and the underlying bill is to address some concerns that were raised by the bail bondsman. There are 3 minor changes, but
all right.
Do you want to know what those changes are, or you just want me to go over the bill? Okay.
Why don't you go over the bill?
Okay. So right now, what we're trying to get at is right now we have data that shows that 46% of the people held in our local jails haven't been convicted of a crime yet. They're there pre-trial, and the number of people in jail pre-trial has increased 10% over the past 5 years between 2012 and 2017. As you know, when people are in jail pre-trial, they can lose their jobs, they can lose their homes. It can be a real hardship on them, and many defendants face an impossible choice between sitting in jail as their case moves through the system or paying their non-refundable fee to a bail bond company. This is not a bill to end bail. What this is a bill to do is collect data so we can figure out what's going on with the pretrial system. Who is there? How long are they there? What are they there for? Et cetera. I understand when the House bill was heard, there was some confusion between what this bill would do and a study that the Crime Commission is doing. And so to address that, what the Crime Commission study looked at a snapshot in time in October of 2017, looking at people who were detained at that time, but they did not look at all of the data that this bill would require, including the indigency status and the length of stay. And so this is a complement really to what the Crime Commission is doing. But to allow those to work in concert, we have added a delayed enactment clause and I believe a reenactment clause so that we can sort of do those two together.
I would